Today I'm going to go over toothbrushing using a traditional dog toothbrush. There's another video showing how to brush a dog's teeth with a finger toothbrush. But I wanted to review, when you're brushing a dog's teeth, ideally if you can do it every day, that's great. If you can only do it 3 or 4 times a day, 3 or 4 times a week, that's better than nothing. What we want to do when we're brushing dogs' teeth is brush along the gum lines. Their teeth are designed differently from ours. They build their tartar up here. If you look on this side, this is a dog who had tartar buildup, so had recession of the gums. This is what we're trying to avoid by toothbrushing. We're trying to minimize that and slow the progression of it. So right here along the gum lines is where we're going to brush. Even, you don't have to get on the inside of the teeth in this area. If you can, that's great, that's awesome, but it is not the most important. The most important is really to get the gum lines. If you have a dog that keeps opening their mouths, you can hold their mouth closed and just go ahead and brush along here. So I'm going to show you today toothbrushing on Scout, who's going to be our assistant. A lot of dogs will do better if you use a little bit of Doggie toothpaste. This is CET toothpaste. It has some enzymes that help keep the tartar down. But if your dog or cat doesn't like toothpaste, it's fine to just use a wet toothbrush. Don't use people toothpaste because it contains fluoride and they're going to swallow their toothpaste. So Scout, you like the toothpaste, right? Which makes it easier. But again, even a dog who's not as thrilled about it, yes, you good boy. So what I'm going to do for Scout is I'm going to lift up his lips and I'm just going to go ahead and brush. If you can do a circular motion, that's great. And I can even hold his muzzle closed and brush like this. Brush along those top incisors and those lower incisors. Those are little tricky teeth that are covered by their lips. And see, if he were a dog that didn't like the toothpaste, I don't even have to lift his lips. I can just go ahead and brush along those gum lines. You can use the smaller one. He's a size dog. He's a middle-sized dog, so you could use the smaller brush and brush like this. If it's easier, you're able to. But again, the bigger head of the toothbrush will give you full coverage along those gum lines. All right. So do both sides. Hey, sweet pies. Like that. If you make it part of your daily routine, it can be easy.